High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a common health issue that affects millions of people worldwide. In traditional Chinese medicine TCM, managing blood pressure involves balancing the body's energy, or qi, and addressing underlying imbalances. One simple and effective herbal formula known for its blood pressure lowering properties is the combination of hawthorn berry, Chinese red dates, and goji berries. This article explores the individual benefits of these herbs and how they work together to promote cardiovascular health. Ingredients and their benefits. Hawthorn berry. Shanja hawthorn berries are renowned in TCM for their ability to support heart health. Rich in antioxidants, these berries help to dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing blood pressure. The flavonoids found in hawthorn berries also have cholesterol-lowering effects, which can contribute to overall cardiovascular well-being. Additionally, hawthorn is known to aid digestion, particularly in metabolizing fats, further benefiting heart health. Chinese red dates. Jujube. Chinese red dates are not only a popular snack, but also a powerful herb in TCM. They are known for their nourishing properties and are often used to tonify the spleen and boost qi. Red dates are rich in vitamins and minerals, particularly vitamin C and iron, which help improve overall health. They also possess a calming effect on the mind and body, promoting better sleep and reducing stress factors that can contribute to high blood pressure. By nourishing the body, red dates help create a balanced internal environment conducive to lower blood pressure. Goji berries. Goji berries are celebrated for their antioxidant-rich profile, containing vitamins A and C, iron, and other essential nutrients. In TCM, goji berries are used to nourish liver and kidney health, which are vital organs in maintaining blood pressure balance. They help improve circulation and support healthy blood sugar levels. Regular consumption of goji berries can enhance overall energy levels, reducing fatigue and promoting a sense of vitality, which is beneficial for managing stress and hypertension. Preparing the herbal formula. This simple herbal formula can be easily prepared at home. Here's how to make it. Ingredients: 30 grams of dried hawthorn berries, 20 grams of dried Chinese red dates pitted, 20 grams of dried goji berries, 1 liter of water. Instructions: rinse all the dried herbs under cold water to remove any impurities. In a pot, combine the hawthorn berries, red dates, and goji berries with 1 liter of water. Bring the mixture to a boil over medium heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 20-30 minutes. Strain the liquid to separate the herbs from the tea. Enjoy the tea warm or let it cool and store it in the refrigerator for later. Dosage: it is recommended to drink 1 cup of this herbal tea daily for optimal benefits. Conclusion: incorporating this simple traditional Chinese herb formula into your daily routine can be a delicious and natural way to support healthy blood pressure levels. The combination of hawthorn berry, Chinese red dates, and goji berries offers a range of health benefits that promote cardiovascular health, nourish the body, and reduce stress. However, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health regimen, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking medication for hypertension. By embracing the wisdom of TCM and nurturing your body with these natural ingredients, you can take proactive steps toward better health.